Top 5 niches that print money. Everyone wants views on YouTube, but if your niche doesn't pay, all those views might not add up to much. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 niches that print money, the ones advertisers fight to get in front of and creators quietly cash in on. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which niches can turn your vision into serious revenue. Picking the right niche matters. Not all views are created equal. A prank channel might rack up millions of views, but struggle to make $1,000. Meanwhile, a finance channel could make the same money with a fraction of the views. Why? Because advertisers don't just buy views, they buy audiences. And some audiences are worth far more than others. Niche number 1, finance and investing. This is the gold mine of YouTube. We're talking investing, credit cards, real estate, crypto, side hustles, and budgeting. Anything tied to money brings in advertisers like banks, fintech apps, and brokers. CPMs here can hit $20 to $40. That's 10x higher than entertainment channels. Why? Because advertisers in this space make huge profits themselves, so they can afford to pay high ad rates. Take Graham Stephan. He turned his experience as a real estate agent into one of the most profitable channels on YouTube. His CPMs are among the highest in the world, and he's proof that money content equals money results. If you want long-term YouTube income, finance is king. Niche number 2, tech and software reviews. Next up is tech, smartphones, laptops, and especially software. Why? Because software companies don't mind paying $50 to $100 to acquire a customer. A review channel that gets 50,000 views can be worth more to advertisers than a lifestyle channel with 500,000. Even small creators can earn huge CPMs in this niche. Why is this niche so lucrative? Advertisers are happy to pay big ad rates to reach buyers ready to spend thousands on the latest phone, laptop, or subscription software. Marques Brownlee, or MKBHD, is the perfect case study here. He's built one of the most respected tech review channels in the world and turned it into a multi-million-dollar media brand. Even smaller creators in this space can get great affiliate income from links, software commissions, and early access brand deals. Niche number 3, business and entrepreneurship. Business education is exploding on YouTube, from startups to passive income to marketing. Advertisers in this niche are high-ticket: business software, consulting, education platforms. Ali Abdaal, for example, leveraged productivity and business content into a multi-million-dollar empire. This is the niche where YouTube becomes a virtual classroom. Think side hustles, startup tips, business case studies, and personal branding. Viewers here are usually ambitious and ready to invest in themselves. That's why ad rates skyrocket. If you can teach someone how to grow their business, save money, or expand their career opportunities, advertisers line up to get in front of that audience. Niche number 4, health and fitness, premium angle. Health channels can be hit or miss, but when they target a premium audience, think biohacking, supplements, or high-end wellness, advertisers like fitness brands and health tech step in with serious budgets. Not every fitness channel earns big, but the ones that focus on transformation and lifestyle, they thrive. Health will always be one of the biggest markets on earth, and YouTube is no different. From workout tutorials to nutrition hacks to the rise of longevity and biohacking channels, advertisers spend heavily here because health products are massive industries. Example, AthleanX has built a fitness empire with training content that pulls millions of views and millions in brand deals and product sales. And here's the kicker. People in this niche are not just looking for entertainment, they're looking for solutions. That's what makes it profitable. Niche number 5, luxury and lifestyle. And finally, luxury. Luxury travel, cars, watches, real estate. The magic here is aspiration. Even if viewers can't buy a Rolex today, advertisers know they're dreamers, and dreamers eventually spend. These videos pair perfectly with high-end ads, affiliate deals, and sponsorships. This niche is where content meets aspiration. Luxury cars, watches, travel, all tied to money and freedom. These videos don't just sell information, they sell dreams. Creators like Manny Koshman tour exotic car garages and multi-million-dollar properties, pulling in millions of views. But what they're really selling is the mindset of abundance. Advertisers here include banks, luxury brands, and high-ticket services, meaning the CPMs can be jaw-dropping. Summary. So let's recap. Finance, tech, business, health, and luxury. These are the 5 niches that consistently print money. But here's the truth. You don't need to chase them blindly. The real power comes from aligning your passion with a profitable audience. because money follows attention and attention follows authenticity. In other words, don't just pick a niche because it's profitable. Pick one where you can bring unique value, creativity, and consistency. That's where the real magic happens. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's not about chasing views, it's about building value that pays.